How to translate voice message in Messenger. Let's get started. Alright, here's a simple way to make sure language differences don't get in the way when you're chatting on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and go to the chat, either with a friend or in a group, where you want to turn on auto translation. Tap to open it. At the bottom, tap the text box so your keyboard pops up. On the top row, you'll see a settings icon. Tap that. Inside the keyboard settings, look for languages and tap it. At the bottom, hit Add Keyboard, then search and pick the language you want your messages translated into. Spanish, French, or anything else. Tap Done to save. Now, head back to your chat, tap the text box again, and this time tap the menu icon on your keyboard. From there, select Translate. Pick the language you're typing from and the language you want to translate to. Type your message, and you'll instantly see it appear in the translated language. Once you're happy, just hit Send, and that's it. Now you can communicate easily with anyone, anywhere, without worrying about language barriers. That's it. This is how we can auto-translate Messenger messages and make chatting effortless. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.